Hey everyone, I'm Christy Nato, founder of Awesome Sauce Marketing, and I've been so blessed to work with so many entrepreneurs just like you. I've truly loved every minute of it. And I feel like it's time to give back. So I've decided to give away a free copy of my brand new book, Ignite Your Impact, to all of you. This book is about everything you need to share your message in a big way to make a difference in the world. You are the only person who has shared your journey. There are life-changing messages that only you can share. This book will help you step in your power, find your voice, and live a life of meaning and impact. You were born to stand out. You were meant for something big, and your dreams are possible now. Step into your success. Just sign up for your free copy of Ignite Your Impact. I can't wait to see you shine big and bright in the world.